Dear students, today we will discuss about acceleration of a moving body. Acceleration is defined as rate of change in velocity of a body with respect to time. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि एक दिए गए टाइम इंटरवल में, एक दिए गए समयांतराल में वेग में परिवर्तन समय के साथ जो होता है उसे त्वरण या एक्सेलरेशन कहते हैं. It is change in velocity per unit time. And suppose there is a moving body having its initial velocity u meter per second at time t is equal to 0, and after some time its final velocity is v meter per second at t is equal to t. Here time interval is t seconds and change in velocity is v minus u is equal to v minus u meter per second. Now acceleration can be formulated as change in velocity divided by time interval, or acceleration is denoted by a arrow. It is a vector quantity. As it is a vector quantity, a is equal to v final velocity minus initial velocity e divided by time interval t minus 0, that is t. Our unit of acceleration is meter per second square. Now we can explain it as following. Suppose at t is equal to 0, velocity of body is 2 meter per second. Then after 1 second it becomes 4 meter per second. Now 2 minus 4 minus 2 meter per second divided by time is 1 second. That is equal to 2/1 meter per second square. That is 2 meter per second square. ये जो है देख रहे हैं हम कि बॉडी का एक टाइम को जब हमने स्टार्ट किया एवेल्यूएशन करना तो उसकी स्पीड जो है वेलोसिटी है 2 मीटर पर सेकंड, और 1 सेकंड बीतने के पश्चात उसकी वेलोसिटी 4 मीटर पर सेकंड हो जाती है. तो यहाँ पर वेग में परिवर्तन 1 सेकंड के अंतराल में हुआ 4 मीटर पर सेकंड माइनस 2 मीटर पर सेकंड, और ये हो गया यानी 2 मीटर पर सेकंड, दैट इज 2 मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर. ये यहाँ पर इसका एक्सेलरेशन है या त्वरण कर सकते हैं. एक्सेलरेशन को वेग वर्धन भी बोला जाता है हिंदी में. वेग वर्धन मतलब इसकी वेग में बढ़ोतरी हो रही है पर यूनिट टाइम में, इसलिए इसको वेग वर्धन बोलते हैं. और जब वेग एक निश्चित दर से पर यूनिट टाइम में घटता है तो उसको डी एक्सेलरेशन या रिटार्डेशन बोला जाता है, और उसको हिंदी में वेग मंदन बोलते हैं. अब आगे हम एक्सेलरेशन के परिभाषा से, ग्राफीय विधि से हम वेग बराबर u प्लस एटी या गति के पहले समीकरण इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन हम यानी डिराइव करेंगे. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस इट फर्दर. See graph of the body in motion. This is a graph between velocity and time. This is Vt graph of a moving body. Suppose initial velocity of the body is u, represented on y-axis, and it is u, and after a time interval, suppose t. This is t is equal to 0. This is t is equal to t. Then in time interval t, body changes its velocity from u to v, that is v. Here a body graph between velocity and time graph. Time is here AB. This is slope of this graph, Vt time velocity time graph, and it gives acceleration of the moving body. And it will be given as this will be, this whole is V. This whole is V, and this is u. Then this will be equal to v minus u, and this O C is equal to AM. Here Vm will be equal to Vc minus MC, and OC will be equal to AM will be equal to T. Then as slope of this graph gives acceleration of the moving body, and that is equal to slope of Vt graph is equal to Vm upon Am, that is equal to Vc minus Mc upon T, that is equal to V minus U upon T, and this V minus U upon T is slope of the Vt graph is acceleration A. Hence A T is equal to V minus U, or V is equal to U plus AT. This is first equation of motion, and this is final velocity of the body after a time interval t. This is acceleration of body, that is uniform acceleration, and is initial acceleration. This is equation. This is first equation of motion. Okay. Thanks, and please share and subscribe my video if and like it. Thanks. Okay.